Are you looking for the best ring lights? In this video we will look at some of the best ring lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Westcott 18-inch Bicolor LED. The Westcott 18-inch Bicolor LED has you covered, from selfies to outdoor shoots. With 2435 lumens and a 3200K to 5600K temperature range, you'll be set for photography, video calls, blogging, and much more. This ring light has a continuous dimmer and digital readout, allowing you to fine-tune brightness and temperature with the turn of a dial. The digital readout lets you quickly change settings based on external light conditions. The light includes two NPF 750 lithium-ion rechargeable batteries and a battery charging port. These batteries keep the light going on full power for 70 minutes, and there is also a wall-powered option for extended use. This ring light comes with a sturdy tripod and mounting accessories capable of holding a DSLR camera or smartphone. In addition, it has a USB port capable of charging phones and other electronics to avoid low battery interruptions. This light and its accessories fit nicely into a well-made storage bag with separate light, tripod, and battery compartments. The Westcott 18-inch might be too big, depending on your lighting needs. Setup requires a tripod, so adequate floor space is necessary. Also, it lacks a remote and does not offer Bluetooth availability to control the light settings remotely. Compared to a standard ring light, this model is also a bit more expensive, but we found the high-quality construction and utility well worth the cost and great for various applications. If a compact, remote-triggered ring light is what you're after, you can enjoy the UBeesize 10-inch tabletop at a fraction of the price. Number 2. UBeesize 10-inch tabletop. The UBeesize 10-inch tabletop is a well-designed and easy-to-use ring light at a wallet-friendly price. Every aspect of this device is well thought out. The textured ball joint allows for completely customizable angle adjustments. Unlike many cheap ball joint tripods, this one actually stays put once you tighten it in place, so you don't have to worry about dumping your phone or expensive camera. Its simple design and easily adjustable leg height allow for a speedy 10-second setup, while its size is conducive to tabletop photoshoots and traveling. Whenever we needed a small tripod for our DSLR, we reached for this one because it's generally easy to use, and the stability is trustworthy. It also comes with a small carry bag and a handy remote trigger for easy selfies. Number 3. Xinbaohong Clip-On. The Xinbaohong Clip-On is a lightweight and compact clip-on ring light for smartphones. It offers multiple temperature settings, continuous dimmer capability, and the most basic setup imaginable, all at a very affordable price. It clips directly to the phone, like a chip clip. A single power button turns the light on, and successive presses cycle through the temperature modes. Super easy. It can easily fit into a backpack, purse, or jacket pocket. This is a great option for budget-conscious social media posters and selfie takers alike. While the price is right, this ring light has some downsides. When using it in a portrait orientation, the clip mount blocks the rear-facing camera of many phones, which is an issue when taking a non-selfie photo. To mitigate this problem, you either have to slide it to the corner or a different side of the phone. Another consideration is the light itself is not particularly bright, so if you photograph anything more than an arm's length away, this light won't make a noticeable difference. Also, for everything we love about this mini light, it feels lower quality than other premium portable options. Still, for its simplicity and ease of use at a steal of a price, the Xinbaohong is a nice portable light for selfies. If you have a little wiggle room in your budget, check out the well-designed UBeesize 10-inch with tripod, which includes a solid tripod and is quite bright. Number 4. UBeesize 10-inch with tripod. We love the versatility of the UBeesize 10-inch with tripod. It comes with some great features, and they're all well designed. It has an excellent, fully functional tripod and a carry bag for the light. There's a separate carry bag for the tripod, and it also includes an easy-to-use remote trigger for your phone. This light sets up fast, we managed it in 18 seconds, and adjusting it is a dream. It also features the same phone holder as the UBeesize 10-inch tabletop, which can easily twist to whatever angle you want. Number 5. ShiftCam SnapGrip Creator Kit. The ShiftCam SnapGrip Creator Kit is a top choice for content creators who need a reliable light on the go. This portable device turns a phone into a more traditional-looking camera by adding a shutter button, light, and detachable mini tripod to any smartphone. The tripod legs also easily collapse down into a selfie stick. This light uses MagSafe magnetic technology to quickly click in place on your phone. It even comes with an adapter sticker that turns any non-iPhone into a MagSafe magnet-compatible device. It also strikes us as high quality and comes with a semi-rigid case to protect the light and battery. This light has just a few drawbacks worth noting. First, it is not especially bright. It does the job for selfies or anything within close range, but much more than an arm's length away, and its effectiveness fades fast. Second, it's heavy, which you might notice if you plan on taking a bunch of selfies with the included stick. When attached to the stick, the weight of the light combined with the phone sometimes forces the pivoting ball joint to slump over at an angle. However, for convenience and quality in a tiny package, this light is our go-to when on the go. If you can't swing the cost, check out our favorite portable budget model, the Xinbaohong Clip-On. It's lightweight, affordable, and fits in your jacket pocket, so you can take a selfie whenever the moment strikes.